Hi, this is Ben from Outbound UAE. Today we're going to be making some PB+J cookies. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take this bowl, we can combine all of these ingredients. 100 grams of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 egg, 4 tablespoons of rolled oats, and 50 grams of raspberry jam. So we're going to combine everything except for the jam into this big bowl, but before we do that, I'm going to measure out my 100 grams of peanut butter. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to do 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. That's 1, 2, and 3. 1 egg. We're going to do 4 tablespoons of our rolled oats. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, at this stage, I'm just going to add 1 pinch of sea salt to the cookies. Okay, once you've got all that in, we're going to take a spoon and we're just going to beat it until we form a smooth dough. Our next step, you're going to grab yourself your baking tray. You're going to line that with some greaseproof paper. Once you've got all of this ready, you're going to take your mixture, about 1 tablespoon. Okay, once all of these are laid out, we're going to take your thumb and we're just going to make a small well in the top of each one. This step, we're going to take your raspberry jam, you get a small bit like this, and you're going to fill the well on each of the cookies. We're going to take the cookies, we're going to put them in the oven at 180 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes, just until they're golden brown around the edges. Alright, to recap what we've just done then, we used 100 grams of peanut butter, we used 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, we used 1 egg, and we used 4 tablespoons of rolled oats with a pinch of sea salt. When we've got all of that into one bowl, we give it a quick mix into a doughy sort of mixture. We dished it out onto a baking tray with some greaseproof paper on it, and then we made a little hole in the top of each one, a little well. And with that well, we filled that with some jam, stuck it in the oven on 180 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes until the edges of the cookies go golden brown. Okay, these have been in for 12 minutes now, and they're looking golden brown. So the last step is just to let these cool for about 10-20 minutes, and then we're golden. Our cookies have turned out great today, and we hope that yours do as well. If you want to leave us some comments below, let us know how it went, and send us your pictures, we'd love to see them. Right now, I'm going to go and enjoy mine. So I'll see you next time. Ma salama.